All right, good evening. Silver TV and Ray, you can't miss this particular video. Amazing things and your why the air bro. And then Ray, Yamia Mochina Kumasi Asante Kotoko is playing against Samartex. Our Samana boy. And a panel, Jadi Asante Kotoko 20-man squad ne bro. Yabi Mupa. Na, and then the possible lineup no so air bro and Ray. Now, what would you air call from the camp of Asante Kotoko? Before you even start business, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. With your page, and as I will say, subscribe. Tap on that button for me. Then, again, like the video and drop your comment. Prediction time. Prediction time. Kotoko, Samartex. What is your prediction? Drop that one also. Nah, you didn't come over break. But the week in review for Asante Kotoko. The week started on Sunday. Kotoko Trefie Eluzui by 1-0 against Dreams FC. Chita for after the game, a church romagia. A toto ayampia Emma ebi eka ayam penny for how do I walk to Kutimum. Omoto Chemrantiano ewo gate. Say who Asante Kotoko players a brow moko from bars. Na emuna no mu say Kotoko players go from bars no omu didi inti say chitafo ni bia bufuo pa ema oman fan chomo assign ema say it took the Kotoko bars close to 15 minutes and sana 8 free stadium after say players no go from bars. On Monday, Kotoko anye training, but there was a crucial meeting. I became once was over TV. Kochogu dem branti ni shiae. He can aje nchira mupa. He addressed the players and all can. The one who found branti ni bi ho aboa ma dwumadi ni nkoyi no. Oka ni jina nchira. Tuesday Kotoko ye training. Wednesday Kotoko ye training. And Asante Kotoko sign. And then Central for Shiemu from the press conference. So a buy. Now, in the channel, Nampen taking decisions, Kotoko Besanko back to Adakwajache Sports Complex, Akwakuye training. Changes are so our Adakwajache are a very same Yadu video, a beba. The Ukwadana, Asante Kotoko, Ibiano, or maybe a training or maybe around 4. Moko Adakwajache Sports Complex, and Koye. Press conference the boss on Kochokum yin semano da sube yi biano. Reaction started from a year Wednesday and red. Ama you see Valasa chipsa ebe chair na bi se debi. Nsem bia Kochogum kan na no hye. Na kwa ese we pia ne mrantie no e de atare wo. Na we coacha ya na nsem kekaye e fa o players no ho. Ya ma enye measured. Enye no pe. Follow Asante Kotoko, Deputy Communication Director, Countryman Zongo Patrick, Osajeman. Also, the people also said the coach, Prosper Ogu, must focus on coaching Kotoko and checking his lifestyle. He may have attended the best schools, but without discipline, humility, and God, you will achieve nothing. And I'm saying a reaction maybe a thought was so after so coach Ogum. And the two just say Asante Kotoko players ni be with some your politicians. I would him them. Central form Pia Choma Day, Asante Kotoko circles and penny for Choma, former Asante Kotoko coach. Bashir Hayford. That's what Chena say no correct. Your man Tinibu Asante Kotoko or my almost some your politicians. Asante Region Circles Chairman Alexander Men so the also say no correct. Now I'm not kidding you her. Kotoko boy we are buying just 20-man squad the Murano. Obey your money or meeting come almost say, coach them pay yourself and tin a one frame. Now over for the medical team no now. I says Abrantiano Crebi or Cassan were pra. Coach is so this were pra. General correct. Mrantini being someone to petty abontino. Omo painting coach in the black, no merge money at him. To a tar coach in the chi, I want the politician comment. Thursday, Kotoko training. And then, Fiada, Kotoko training, and a pa, and a team no esim, from Kumasi and Omaka could do a summer boy in Potem. I'm using in Potem because Omo around, but Omuni Krum Huankasa. 80 Kotoko week in review, and my bonnet top the amount. Ochena 3 p.m. Kotoko airbo Samartex. Now, it's sharing ye young consumption. My comment about Coach Ogum's issue with politics and players and all those clarifications, someone like me, so we share my video now, I kept on saying more fire, with Chiria. Because most of the things that now you be seeing in dada. Now, obeti sobia kasa bisanse na dano they see dano. Because they see no influence the nipa ne become. Consistently I was telling people Justice Blay enya medical green light from the medical team. Baba, I was telling you, said there's an administrative green light and medical green light. I won't sit here and defend Coach Ogum, but personally, what I know is that he's human. And he, from so. But I can't remember say the Ogum first coming and the second coming. This time around, as Ogum tiasem more change first time. He listens more than the first time. Good. There are some of the comment personally who is saying the share capital say anke beboa marwaka also do the catch players no to the back to abonte share dan. That is what, just by the way. So let's see how this particular press conference about Sukuadano, whether it will be the energy booster or the turning point for Kotoko positively for them to go to Samartex and defeat Samartex. Now this is it. Last thing got Kotoko share Samartex. Nchomeni da ho papa. Me can't measure somebody go akwemu for this game obeyira. Me din komo through resting region wakakra. Na asemo omeni abre pa. Komo na medino omeni abre. But I'm say Kotoko chita for Modamanda. I still think it's a tough game, but say circles in penny for the DBR match biano or more confidence. Match biano make catcher say you could lose that match be make catcher say you beat me win. Good. Now coach Efreno Nuruddin Adama. Last 2 seasons Obe Kaya on a head coach. And ma Kim Faisa. Oshe Ogum 3-2. On the ma Ogum first Asante Kotoko defeat. Eofie. And a FA Cup Sashe Ogum. But the next game I could connect a year Kim Faisa, but that time Kim Faisa Apamo Nuruddin Adama into one new coach. And the 2 matches are Mekai send out to bench and acted as a coach, Kim Faisa or the share Kotoko. And then Kotoko could home. Our summer boy in 4 games was 10 goals were considered 1 Eofie. That is the story of Samartex in front of their home fans. Very, very crazy. And they are solid. The match near the power for Kotoko. There is this suggestion from certain quarters say one particular department, coach in Indian side, and Mray and a Kotoko technical meeting. I don't know whether the coach will listen to some conform or more believe in the spiritual aspect and say on some position back be. Some position may tell the first 2 games are Kotoko boy coach ni Yusu the papa was our position. And after baby any go start game, not the first game Lions, second game baby any go start. After baby any game and no drop us any pandemic core bench. Okay, 20-man squad no. He's always part of the 20-man squad, but after second game no core bench, and a different person may take you over. Say any pan now take you over to dreams there. And no more but Jeff Sunsu man this a coach and incessant sa position non fa the other first 2 games no the year you man better. San Omoka. The ball first 2 games on Fanning Beto. I don't know whether the technical team in their meeting will accept it or not. But a possible lineup at Kutabidi. I can't talk about the goalkeeping department because my character is a training on Moyeno. It's very difficult to predict who will be the goalkeeper because at any particular point in time, but she's just starting 11 now. The shop of one sider, not the goalkeeper, but to her. You can see that most of the starters know a team, but they play against a goalkeeper here. So sometimes you struggle to understand, say, goalkeeper now that first team, no, on, will train, you know, on one, or come on one, a better and answer the other. So the goalkeeping department is a position that I normally don't want to talk about. In the goalkeeping department and Tonche. But I guess the Japan will come back for his right back position. That is what I'm picking. For Nicolas Osebonsu will be maintained on the left back position. It looks like Sharif Mohammed and a Abranti friend Yusuf Nuruddin. There's a conversation as to whether Henry Ansu should walk straight from a suspension in the argument for Sharif was that Saoirse could continue dreams, you know, he played well. So the case is going down there. But from where I said I'm going Sharif Yusuf Nuruddin, because training, you know, coach, you know, Obri and Isu. Now, from what I see, Blair will not start the game. So it's likely Andrews Intimenu and Rocky Jabana to start. Menya signal set Rocky Jabana ebet me red team together. Some training there no more yene there. Na Morrison. Also, Ogum normally want to play Morrison from the wings. Was steady Oguma on Shedan for Morrison in Jina in Finfida. But at training, there was a time, I think was it on Thursday or Wednesday, from report and pick up my Morrison with Jina and Jamana and a year Andrews in Timenu or made him in the middle 3. Later, was Simon Shadrach Adosumi Jina. So that is one angle that I can give you from there. So, based on the training, Rocky Jamana Andrews in Timenu, together with Shadrach Ado, can occupy the middle. But there was another suggestion. I may pick it from the Intel said, so we share a year Samartex. They play a very strong midfield base. Matured, Ebenezer Okran, Emmanuel Kemo. So, about Rocky Jamana, about Shadrach Ado, it can have a disadvantage for the team. So all those things are on the table. Because I'm going to say, oh, boss, I'm calling me and why here now and penny for the chair for so now be Jumana Ababe, especially when both players have not played this season together. And you know, it looks like one year Zeze so steady got connect a year dreams now. He started well, but at a point now will slow down there. So if you see Morrison, Sam Morrison in your team no don't be surprised. The front three, Mukwala, Kalu, Peter Apa, they looks very constant for this particular game. And they feel back with the air now. So that's the critical possible lineup based on training. And like I said, I'm not looking at the goalkeeping department. So it's a Japan Nicolas Osebonsu, Sharif Mohammed Yusuf Nuruddin, Andrews Intimenu, Rocky Jabana, Enoch Morrison, Mukwala Kalu, and Peter Aqua. And then the may pick details are my pick up, but the air mount. Now, also, who the air coso, our Asante Kotoko. That is what I can give you now. So let's wish the team all the best and see how I'll meet me with our summer boy. I could dim a 12-week there. But here has a press conference now, Asante Kotoko, whether positively it can change things for Asante Kotoko. The best shape you. Bye bye.